So ngithenge ikota la ikasi lami nge-35 rand. So I wanna hear your thoughts ukuthi ke nicabanga ukuthi is it worth it noma ke baskapa because iyadura ke le. I think iyedurayo kulawa abawadayisayo, you know. Khona ke la ngithenge khona. So asivule. And also ke muza umsindo kukhona le ingane idlala iskuta, you know, lesi sibanga umsindo la ngaphandle, and there's nothing I can do about it. So mekunomsindo ke wazi ukuthi ke qhamuka kusoko lesikuta lesi sesizondayo sonke lesithuthuthu isikuta noma isithuthuthu. So nayi ke le kota ke le 35 rand. So sedesinkwa, so you can see khona ke iRachel iViani sibika la esayidini, and then there's this angazi ukuthi yini le, ngicela ningitshele lapha kuma comments yini le. Ngicela ningitshele lapha kuma comments angazi ukuthi yini le. And then we have upoloni and ama chips. So khona no cheese usumelthile ke la, as you can see. Is it worth 35 rands? Thingisondeze, you know, so you can see it. Nayi 35 rand. I think it's worth it. Ngizodla ngisuthe la. It's isikhathi manje u4 p.m. So sengiyadla nje, sengizoze ngibone kahle kusasekuseni. 35 rands. It's worth it.